Howdy, so we're on the seventh floor of the Vista and we're gonna go explore the pool. So let's go check out the pool. Okay, so we're now checking out the pool and wow, what a great view. These are some awesome views. Are you seeing this? This is great. So downtown Dallas is over there. Over there is uptown. So you've got downtown and uptown. And over there is, I believe that's the 30, the 360 and 30. And those go across in between downtown and uptown. And then that direction is the north and south. That's 35 that's over there. So, wow, fantastic views. I'm seeing, let's see, 1, 2, 3 chairs over there. And then 3 sit-up chairs over there. And then it's an infinity pool. So it creates the illusion that the water's just going over the edge. But there really is something that's down there that will kind of catch the water, if you would. So the pool is it's smaller. It's I wish it were a bit bigger. This is smaller, but the views itself are amazing. So I think you would have fun with with the small group that's up here. Okay, so let's go look at the gym.